Hey guys, greetings for the day. Today we are going to see how to position the cursor in a text file. Okay, it's very important to position the cursor in order to perform some read or write operations in the files. Okay, so when before positioning, okay, if we come to know where the cursor is, okay, file pointer is, that will be good. Okay, so in order to we must know where the file pointer is and where to move. Okay, so in order to perform these two operations, okay, we have certain functions called seek off and tell off function. Okay, as the name tells, okay, the tell off function will tell the current position of the file pointer. Okay, so file pointer, using file pointer only we will be able to locate the place at which to read and or the place at which we need to write, okay, in the files. And seek will be helping us to move the file pointer to a particular position. Okay, so these are the very important two methods in with respect to files, that too. Locating these two functions are very useful in locating the file pointers in the files. Okay, so let's see the usage of seek function and the syntax of the seek method and an example. Okay, seek method in Python is used to move the file pointer to a specified position in the file. Okay, the syntax of seek function is seek, okay, file handle dot seek of offset, comma, an optional parameter called whence. Okay, this is the syntax of seek method. Okay, offset is mandatory parameter, whereas whence is an optional parameter. That's the reason it's given in the square bracket. Okay, so what is the purpose of offset? So offset defines how many bytes to be moved. Okay, so from the current position, how many bytes to be moved, the file pointer, how many bytes the file pointer should be moved. Okay, that is the offset. Okay, this is determined in terms of bytes, number of bytes. Okay, whence is an optional parameter that is specified as a second parameter in the seek method, which may take either of one of the three values. Okay, 0, 1 or 2. Okay, so whence is a constant that specifies the reference point for the offset parameter, that is from which location the number of bytes to be moved, okay, is determined by the whence. Okay, so by default the whence will be, if we don't provide any value for whence, second parameter, so its value will be 0. If it is 0, the number of parameter offset that is to be moved by the file pointer will be from the beginning of the file. Okay, with reference to the beginning of the file, so it will be moved. Okay, file pointer will be moved. Okay, if it is 1, from the current position it will be moved. Okay, the file pointer will be moved to that particular location. So if it is 2, if the whence is equal to 2, from the reference to the end of the file, okay, from the end of the file, specified number of bytes, the file pointer will be moved. Okay, so let's consider a text file called hello.txt. Suppose that it contains the text called code is like humor. When you have to explain it, it's bad. Okay, this is the content that is present in the hello.txt file. So now see, now let's open this text file in some mode. Okay, suppose that we are opening it in read mode. Okay, let's move the file pointer. Okay, whenever a file is opened in any mode, okay, so it will be, the file pointer will be in the beginning of the file. Okay, so here we are going to use the we just want to read the content only from when. Okay, after the first dot we need to read the content. Okay, that is we just want to read the second sentence. Okay, the second sentence is when you have to explain it, it's bad. Okay, we just want to read and print it on the console. Okay, in order to read the second test, we just want to move the file pointer to this particular location from the beginning. Okay, so initially when the file is opened, so it will be in this location. Okay, so if you want to read only from this place, okay, the file pointer needs to be moved here. Okay, in order to do so, fseek is helpful. Using this seek method, we can use move the file pointer. Okay, so the second method, second sentence starts only from the index from the location 20. Okay, so and hence f.seek of 20 will move the file pointer to this particular location. Okay, so now after moving, we are just checking whether we have moved to this particular location or not. Okay, by calling the method called tell. Okay, so this tell method will return the current position of the file pointer. Okay, so after that, as usual, we can use the read line function and read the entire sentence. Okay, yeah, after reading, we all know that the open file should be closed using a close method. It's a good programming practice. Okay, so we have talked enough about seek method. Okay, it's time to talk about tell method. Okay, so in the previous example itself, we have used tell method, which returns the current position of the file pointer. Okay, so the syntax of tell method is the file handle dot tell off, that will return the current position. Okay, so here is another example. Okay, a text file contains the text hello, welcome to the demo file, welcome to demo file.txt. so this file is opened in read mode and the file is read using readline function, so that when the file is opened, the cursor will be in this location in the beginning of the file. When the file is read, okay, when the readline function is invoked, okay, the cursor moves to the end of the file, end of the line. Okay, so after reading the line, we just call tell method. Okay, so if we call the tell method, it will return the current position of the file pointer. Okay, so which returns 32. That means in that particular line, 31 character have been read. Okay, now the current cursor is in 32 seconds. Okay, hope you guys understood what is a seek method and what is a tell method, the difference between seek and tell, and how to position a file pointer in a file using in the Python programming language. Okay, thanks for watching. Good day.